Okay, so whenever you want to publish one app, what you have to do, you must have one developer account. How much they charge? They charge $25. How will you register it? Go over there, just click on the first link. Okay, sign up is coming. This is the link which you have to go. Okay, and see how much they charge, $25. Just you have to click on this I agree and continue to payment. That's all. Okay, so if you will do continue to payment, first, is this the username by which you want to publish the app? If it is the one, then you have to agree. Otherwise, if you want to publish with some other username or user email ID, then you have to click here, sign in with different account. Okay, if you want to pay, what you do, just click on continue to pay, and automatically it will come here. It will ask for some sort of that bank, see, credit card number, not credit card, any card which you get it. Just pass all those data. Billing address should be very important. Why? Because if you are earning something from this app, okay, so the check will come to this address. Okay, something like you are having one of those how to earn money from the app. How will you earn? You can put some advertisement. Okay, for IPL we had put sort of advertisement. As I told, that application was having some sort of advertisement in below, some banner and other things will come. Okay, so in your Google you can search one of those very famous advertisement library, or maybe jar file. It's called AdMobs. It's the one, AdMobs. Okay, why we use it? This is used for the advertisement purpose. Okay, so many vendors, something like I am a new company, I'm a retailer company, I want to advertise myself. Then how I can reach more and more people? Through apps, because most of the people, they do work only and only using apps. Okay, so now what they do, these AdMobs guys, they are having some tie up with some of those companies, okay, which will pay some sort of amount to those AdMobs, and AdMobs will pay to you. I mean indirect payment. Again, they will not pay too much to you, because they also need to earn, right? Okay, so they will give you some amount of basically. Okay, so it is based on the click. More click user is doing, more you will get the money. Click or maybe more visit. Okay, so if people are visiting more your app, okay, something like if you go to any of the app, WhatsApp, or maybe click on Fire. If you go to click in Fire, there's our click info. If you go to click info, okay, now are you able to see below here, and below some ad is coming, right? These are nothing but those are coming from AdMobs, the one which we are discussing. Okay, very simple registration. You just have to pass your username, password, Gmail username, password. They will ask you to in your Gradle something will be there, compile the way how we have done this Woli and that library. They will give you some link, put it. Okay, and whichever page you want to have those advertisement, you have to add some sort of line of code. That's all. Automatically it will do for you basically. Okay, so this is the way how people earn from the app. They put some advertisement, and advertiser will give you money to AdMobs. AdMobs will give it to you basically. Okay, so this is the way how we'll do. So you can search in your Google also. I mean, what is AdMobs and how to integrate. Okay. Billing address means, I mean, the first money what you will earn from AdMobs, it will come as a check to that address. Checkbook will come. Check will come. Check. First payment check. Next payment no need to have check. Those will come normally through your account number or something. Because first payment will come through check because of the verification purpose. Maybe some people are hacking, they are doing some sort of thing, na? So address will not be correct. Okay, so for that the first payment will come through check. Okay. If people will click, you will know. If you will click, then they will come to know that you are spamming. Okay, then they will do some sort of spam. They will block you for maybe some days, 15-20 days. Then you can do. Because user ID is there, na? I mean, whenever your application is downloaded, okay, which email ID has downloaded it? In Google Play Store, whenever you download, everybody cannot download. Who is downloading, right? So that will matter. So yeah, you can tell your friends, yeah, please click. That is okay, but you cannot click it. Okay, they'll catch it. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, so this is the way how we do it. Yeah. Now if you want to publish any of the app, what to do? You can just register it in your Play Store. Okay, and after that you will be able to get. So let's try to suppose if I want to go to my console. Okay, so Google. Okay, Google Developer Console. Go. No, this is somewhere else. Google Developer Console. Okay, why? Because I already have this. No need to do all the things. Somewhere it will be there. I will show. Okay, sign in with account. Okay, let's okay. Now I have signed out from all the account. I have signed in with my account which is valid now. Okay, which I have already paid the money to them basically. Okay, so typically whenever you will sign in, your home page will look like this. Here all the applications whatever you have published now, all those will be here listing over here. Okay, this will come when you pay money to them. Okay, before that it will not come. Now if you want to publish any of the app, okay, so what to do? You have to click here. What is the one? Add new application. Okay, just click on this. You have to put the title of that application. What is the title? Whatever title you want to do, something like ABC, some sort of that you can change later for a time basically. No? Now you click on any of the listing or all the things. Anyone you can upload APK also, or maybe if you want to pass some sort of data. So these are the data which would be required to publish your application. You have to just insert all those data. It will now. How to get the APK file? How to get the APK file of that project? APK file of the project. Okay. So suppose I want to get the APK file of this project. How do you get it? So there are two types of APK. Okay. So one is your normal APK. That is called unsigned APK. What is unsigned APK? Unsigned APK means this APK is generated without any key store. Okay. What is the another way? Another one APK called signed APK. What is signed APK? Signed APK is nothing but the APK which you are building. Okay. So it would be signed with some sort of key store basically. You know? We will check it. I will create one APK which would be your key store APK. And this signing will be done by some of the algorithm called SHA and MD5. So these are the algorithms which are used. SHA2 or SHA1, I am not sure. SHA will be there, and MD5. Okay, to generate the signed APK basically. Okay, now if you want to get the APK, how to get it? You can go to your path, apps, go to build. Okay, then if I run this code, then what will happen? It generates the APK in outputs basically. One small APK will be there. Okay, but if you want to build your any of the signed APK, then what you have to do? First you have to create your key store. Key store means certificate. You have to create the certificate. So how will you create the certificate? Right click. You are having one of the options called able to see, and no, it is not that. You go to build. Are able to see here? One option is called build APK. Build a key APK is not signed APK. This is the normal APK. Suppose I am having one APK. I am, hey, please test it now. Use this APK in your mobile. I can give you one APK. This is not your signed APK. Okay. So if you want to build your normal APK, just click on the build APK. Automatically it will generate. Are you able to see? It is building one APK. It will tell us the path also. But this build APK, you cannot put it in Play Store, because Play Store will only support signed APK. Are you able to know what I am telling? Okay. So how to create signed APK, that also we'll see now. So now for timing, let it be building. Yeah. So it might have built. Okay. Now we can see build APK is done. If you want to see the APK, what to do? Just click on show in Explorer. Okay. Yeah. So where that particular APK is, this is the APK. Now if I want this to be tested by you, I can give you this APK, it will work. But this APK I cannot put it in Play Store. If I want to put it in Play Store, what to do? I must register it, or what you can say, I must sign it basically. Okay. So how to generate the signed APK? Very simple. Go over there in build only. One of other option is called generate signed APK. What is the option called? Generate signed APK. Just click on this. Automatically it will ask you where your key store is. If you don't have key store, you want to create the certificate, right? With those algorithms. So what to do? Create new. But if you already have, then you can choose existing one. It will tell you the path. Okay. If you want to create new one, then what to do? You just click on this. Create new is the option. Key store path where you want to create. So suppose I want to create in my desktop. Okay. Well, desktop. Do I have any desktop anywhere? Okay. Okay, we can go here. Okay, suppose I want to create in YouTube. Okay, this is the place where I want to create the APK. So I can copy this path. Here I want to create the APK. So I have to pass the path where I want to create the APK. Inside YouTube folder I want to create. What is the file name you want to give? Okay, so something like APK, okay, signature, anything, or keys to, you can say. Okay, this format will come JKS. JKS is the file format. Okay, this is the place where you want to create the path. Now you have to pass the path here, password. So just pass any of the password here. This is the password. This is the confirm password. Alias name also you give it. Password, confirm password. So you have to give all the passwords and other thing. You can pass the validity also. Validity by default, what is the validity? 25 years of validity, but it would be more than that, lifetime validity. This validity is only for key store. Google Play account, what will happen? It will be have lifetime validity. This 25 years is only for the key store which we are creating basically. If you want to make it more, you can make it here. Depending on, by default it is 25 years. Then you have to pass all the first names. So suppose my first name is Tapas. Okay, Tapas, organization unit. Okay, so anything. Anything for time Tapas, only Tapas. Okay, city is Bangalore. Okay, then state maybe Karnataka. Okay, then country code. Okay, so 91. So 91. Okay, then what to do? India code is 91. Correct. So when I do okay, what will happen? This particular key store will be created in your YouTube folder. Now as soon as I will get this key store, then I can generate the, see, it automatically took this. Okay, so if I will go to YouTube, I will say this is the key store which got created. This is the key. This is nothing but a certificate basically. This is called certificate. Okay, why you need certificate? Because try to understand. Suppose if I don't have certificate, okay, anybody can publish the app, right? What you are having. Suppose I have published today Perfect Attendance app in Play Store. Okay, if anybody will get your password, they will publish some app, right, with that. So now they cannot publish this Perfect Attendance until this certificate is not there with them. This is the extra security which is put over there. Okay. Now if you want to create the signed APK like this, you have to pass it. Then you have remember password or anything you can do here. Then next, it will ask for the master password. If you don't have master password, you have to create the master password. What is master password? Master password is nothing but this is the main password which you are having. If you don't have this password, you cannot generate the signed APK basically. This is not related to the key store. It is related to your Android Studio. Okay. Correct. Okay. So if you want to do anything in your Android Studio, you need this master password. Okay. So I will put my master password. Then okay. Now see here, are able to see this is the location where our APK will be generated. Then finish. That's all. It will automatically generate the signed APK. Okay. So let's wait for some time. Now the APK which we have generated, now this I can publish in Play Store. Previous one I cannot publish. Okay, we'll try to publish both and check what problem we'll get. Okay. So how we are doing? We are going to build and this option. These are the two options: build APK and generate signed APK. Yeah, it generated the signed APK. If you want to see, you just click on this, show in Explorer. So are you able to see here? This is your signed APK. This is your signed APK. Okay. So now while publishing, are you able to see one option will be there? Where is your first option was APK, right? So click on this APK. Okay. Now suppose if I want to upload some APK in production, so what to do? You just click on the upload your here. Okay. If I want to drag and drop my previous APK, so which was not signed. This is not signed, right? So I'll drag and drop. See, if I'll drag and drop, what will happen? Because this APK is not signed, it should tell me the problem, because it will tell you application is not valid or something like this. And what is APK? Application packaging. Full form of APK is application packaging. See, it is processing. Okay, now it is trying to do some sort of checking whether this are able to see what is the problem. Upload failed. Why it got upload failed? Because the APK which I have uploaded is not correct one. It is not signed. Are able to understand? So it will give you this problem. Okay. Now if I want to publish the actual APK, then where it will go? You have to generate like this. This is the APK. So now another APK and this APK. This is release APK. Okay. So if I publish it, it should be working fine. But one problem is there. Whenever you are publishing any of the app, your package name cannot start with example. It should not be com.example. It should be something like com.tapas. something. Example word is not valid basically. Okay. So that's why even if I'll use this particular APK, it will tell me there is problem with the package name basically. You just change the package name, generate the new APK, you can build it. So example should not be there. Packaging. Okay, so this should also tell me some problem. Why? Because the package is wrong in my application. Why? What is package? Package name is nothing but this is a unique identifier for your application. Okay. Are you able to see what is running? You need to use different package name with com.example. Com.example is restricted. Okay, so now if you want to use something else, so how do you tell me? com dot anything, com dot tapas dot example dot, okay, maybe anything I have given. Okay, here main activity will not work. Why? Because earlier that package name was coming, so you have to change it to the package name main activity. Okay, similarly service also, because you are doing dot, right? Dot means it was taking from the package name, right? So to not work, so you have to use the service, so use the service. You have to pass the fully qualified name. Okay, now edge, because package got changed, maybe your Java file will complain. Okay, so let's try to build it. We will clean it. Okay, so your Java file should tell some problem, because r.java file, because r.java file was having this package. Now you have changed the package. Now r.java file will not be in your older package. It will create a new package. So you have to do all the import changes in your wherever your file is. So let it be finished. Yeah. Now okay, yes, now let's try to create this apk. How to create the apk? Build, then generate signed apk. Already reached pass, just put it next. There are two type of apk. One is called debug apk, another is called release apk. Okay, so what is debug apk? Debug apk is nothing but this one. Unsigned apk is nothing but it is a debug apk. Okay, what signed apk? Signed apk is nothing but release apk. We want to release or publish, or we will go for release apk, finish. So it should create the new apk which does not have the package name called com.example. Now we will be able to publish it. Okay, so see here what it is telling. It is telling r does not exist. Why? Because the package name is changed, right? So you have to go here. So where is r.java? Go here and do this alt enter. Import class. Are able to see this package name got changed. Now it is koi.r. Now it will be working for me. Now go here, build, generate signed apk. Maybe in other place also you have to change. You will check it. Okay, because your package name got changed, right? So r.java file will also be changed. It will not be generated in your previous package.